Hi, I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be on this Urban Decay electric palette. This is really exciting because it's filled with all of these fun colors, like neon bright, and I just thought it'd be fun to do a look today using this palette. As you can see, I already have one eye done. I used the green, the blue, pink, and purple, a little bit of silver in the inner corner. And I also used some false lashes. So if you'd like to see how I did this eye, just keep watching and we'll see how I'll do it on the other eye. So just heads up, I already did my foundation, and today I used the Tarte Amazonian Clay powder foundation with a cute little kabuki brush. This foundation is kind of fun because it has a little sifter inside, so you don't have to worry about your product flying everywhere, especially with loose powder and mineral foundations. So it's a good product. It's good for, I think, all skin types. I have really oily skin and I have to blot maybe once or twice a day, but it holds pretty much the whole day whenever I need to use it or wear it. So yeah, so let's get started with this eye look. First, I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm just using the one that's white. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on my eyelid. You don't need that much. Just want to be careful that you don't use too much so that it doesn't crease later in the day, because that'd be a bummer after all the work that you did. I'm just using the white base because it'll help the colors pop more. And I've also heard that if you use this palette without an eyeshadow base or a primer beforehand, some of the colors can stain your lid. It's not going to be a permanent stain, but it'll leave a little residue behind. You'll still have some pink eyeshadow left over, so I recommend using an eyeshadow primer before you use any of these colors from this palette. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow shading brush from Sigma, and I'm going to go into the color Freak, which is, let me hold this upside down, which is this green color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over my lid. So the second color I'm going to go in is Slow Burn, which is this color right here. It's a more of a orangey tangerine red color. I'm going to be using my tapered blending, also from Sigma. It's a smaller domed brush. It's not as dense. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this into my crease a little, but aim more upwards towards your brow bone, just so the color can show more. Now I'll go in with my tapered blending from Sigma. It's a bigger, fluffier brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend out this top color just to lighten it up so it doesn't look all harsh and you just have a solid line of color in your eyes. And it just brings a softer look to everything. Now I'm going to go back in with the color Savage, which is this bright pink color right here. Super pink. Kind of love it. So I'm going to go back with my first taper blending brush, a smaller one. And I'm going to go over the first color that we went in, which was Slow Burn, and then just follow it, in the crease, but aim it more towards your eyebrow. Now you're going to go back with your bigger taper blending brush and just go ahead and blend that out. The key to this look is to blend a lot, especially if you're going to be using bright colors like this. So the next color I'll be using is Chaos from the palette, which is this blue one. There's two blues. This one's a little darker, but it's still very vibrant. It's a gorgeous color. So now I'm going in with my MAC 217 brush, and I'll be putting this in the outer corner of my eye. So now I should be left with something like this. It's okay if it's not all pretty yet, but like I said, the key is to blend. So I'm gonna go back with my taper blending and just blend the outer corners where I just put that blue to make it more softer and more of a blended, effortless look. No harsh lines. I'm just gonna take a little bit more chaos and just darken this outer corner a little more. Just so we have more definition. The next color I'll be going in with is Urban, which is this nice darker purple. It's one of my favorite colors in this palette. So I'm going to take it on an eyeliner brush, or a flat one, get it on there, tap off a little bit, and I'm going to trace this along my lower lash line. Using the same liner brush, I'm going to go back in with the first color we use is Freak, that green. And I'm going to put in the inner corner of my eye. Just overlapping the purple a bit. Oop. And she left with something like that. And now the final color that I'll be using is this silver one right here. It's called Revolt. It's the least pigmented one of the colors in the palette, but it gives you a nice shine. So I'm going to get this back onto my eyeliner brush and put it on top of the green in my inner corner of my eye. Just to add some, you know, some brightness to it, a little more dimension, and just more color and fun to it. I'm going to go ahead and line my eye with the Physicians Formula liquid eyeliner, which is my favorite. Just going to shake this up and then draw a cat eyeliner. So today I'll be using the Model 21 eyelashes. Comes in a little case. It's an online brand that I shop at. You can just find it at like model21eyelashes.com or Model 21 lashes. They're really cheap and you get like a bunch of them. The model I have is I think is T25, and they're really long and lush, and they look like this. So see, it's on my other eye already. And I'm just gonna cut a little bit of the end off of the outer corner of my eye, just so it fits my eye better. So I'm cut about like a quarter of the lashes off. And then I'm going to use my Duo Eyelash Adhesive in the dark color and just put it onto the eyelash band. And remember, when you put your glue on here, get about 30 seconds to a minute for it to get tacky before you place the eyelash onto your eye. If you do it before then, it's not going to stick and it's just going to slide around and ruin the makeup that you already have on. And nobody likes that. Now I'm just going to put my eyelashes on. Now I'm just going to use some mascara on my bottom and upper lashes. I'm going to use my Voluminous Miss Manga mascara, which has become one of my favorites. It lasts pretty well, and it makes your lashes really thick looking. So you should have these bright, vibrant colors in your eyes, with some fun lashes, and yeah. Now I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face. I already have my foundation on. So now I'm just going to go in with some blush and bronzer. I'll be using MAC's bronzer in Golden Refined, which looks like this. This compact comes from the new line that just came out in matte. And it's the aquatic line, and it's really cool. I don't know if you can see in my camera, but it's this aquatic case, and it has these little raindrops on it that's embossed. So it's really cool. I'm going to quickly contour using a small contour brush. Then for blush, I'll be using the MAC New Aquatic line. This one is See Me, Hear Me. And this one's a pretty color. It's more of a neutral, dusty rose color. Tops of my cheeks. And it's more of like a natural look. If you're light-handed, use this for any occasion, any look. Just gonna pat, 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 get this on. And then for my lip color, I'll be using the Cream Sheen from MAC. It's also from the Aquatic collection. A rosy, dusty color, mauve, neutral. It's a really pretty color. And you don't want to use like a bright lipstick for this crazy eye color since you have so many colors going on in your eyes already. But I mean, if you want to, then you can. And there you have it, the complete look. I hope you guys really liked this look and enjoyed what I did. And check out the Urban Decay Electric palette if you are into bright colors or just want to play with something or want some palette that's new. I had fun with it, so hope you really enjoyed it, and please thumbs up this video if you did, and comment below if you have any questions, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!